Go.
Okay.
Chicken challenge.
Girls, what scarecrow or the lion? Or the witch?
I'm a slow eater, so.
Don't worry, I'll tell you when you guys are 10 minutes are up.
Amber.
You gotta try to shove the whole thing in your mouth. Now you gotta try to shove that.
They're really hot.
I tried to take
I'm getting the TV in this. So yes, we are at McDonald's. McDonald's. Doing the chicken challenge.
You want a name?
Yeah.
Alright. I'm Summer Mullins, and I like to eat.
I'm Leah, and I like to eat too.
That's cool. You got the same name as my cousin.
Who?
Summer.
Let's go to Trent.
Yep.
Summer Cavaco?
Filipkowski.
I forgot her last name.
It's hard to pronounce. Don't worry.
What if we would have walked home with these and we got mugged? We would have got nugged.
Oh my gosh.
Chicken nugget mugged.
Nugged.
So far you guys are at 2 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. You guys got a long ways to go. And a lot of chicken.
This is my fifth. I mean, sixth.
Girls, you want ketchup?
I have 4 left. In this box of boys.
I would have just dumped all the chicken on the tray and just started eating.
Yeah, but
It's better that way because then they know how many they have left.
probably gonna gain so much weight.
You go home. Your guys' moms are gonna be like, so what you guys do?
I already told my mom. She's like, cool.
Don't worry, you'll be also up on YouTube.
Girls, can you pull the door?
I'll probably just name it Chicken Challenge at McDonald's.
Call it the Chicken Nugget Challenge. Put Chicken Nugget Challenge so that when people type it in, it's like one of the first ones to come up.
Then I'll put at McDonald's. Have you ever done the sugar challenge?
No. What is it?
Have you? Oh.
What is it?
You have to have like 10 teaspoons of sugar and you gotta swallow it in a minute.
Are you 2 sisters?
Neighbors.
I'm already getting full. Done with this box.
You're done already?
Then I would put it out of the way so you don't see it in the camera. 1 down.
20 left.
20 left out of 30 for one person.
Oh my gosh.
Let me now pick up the story of my friendship with Nancy Orton. 10 days after
I'm never doing the latte challenge again.
What is that?
You drink 2 of these.
That's fun. Have we done the smoothie challenge?
Yeah.
Baby food?
Uh-huh. I've done like a lot of challenges.
I got a brain freeze doing the smoothie challenge.
I haven't done it yet.
I can really use a blender.
The only challenge I will not do is the cinnamon.
Oh, I've done it.
I'm not dying over that.
Yeah. People die over the cinnamon challenge.
Oh my gosh. Mine are still so hot.
You are almost at 5 minutes.
5 minutes. No. It's not 10 minutes, it's 15. That's not so good.
Have you guys ever been to that dress shop right there?
I have.
We were just there.
Mm-hmm.
We were like hooking around, just like, well, we looking for
Okay, you got 5 minutes.
Actually, it's 10 minutes because it's 15 minutes and I forgot.
She's like, oh, all I supposed to eat 50.
I would do 10 because you guys have like less. You have 20 less. You would finish them in 15.
Because usually when we burp at like 20 plus. Oh my gosh.
Up Chuck comes in. Yes, we are at McDonald's. And they're taking their sweet time.
Here's pizza back. Her chicken nuggets are ruined.
We're trying to eat here, remember?
Don't worry, you guys got 4 minutes. That don't count up.
I saw the look on your face when we got all those chicken nuggets. You're like, well, I seen it on Rancher, so I was like, oh, maybe they're restocking. And I was like, oh, no. And you guys, like, come over here. I was like, oh, great. So what are y'all doing with all the chicken nuggets? How many did you eat so far out of that box?
3, so I have 17 left. I'm down to 3 bites of nugget.
Oh my gosh. I am so full that it's like I'm about to barf.
I could eat. They're so hot though. They're burning my mouth.
She don't like to eat all this food.
3 minutes.
Got one more. You already ate almost. So you guys are eating 10 of them?
Yeah.
I finally just ate a whole one.
I would just start shoving them when I say 1 minute left. Just shove as many as in your mouth when I say. You have 3 minutes. No, you have 2.5 minutes.
I can't just shove all this in my mouth. I'm not gonna eat for like 3 days.
Don't worry, you got all that chicken in you.
You're good.
It's so warm.
You go to school with the stomach ache. Be like, Mom, I don't feel good this morning.
You can't. Well, never mind.
I could.
I love how we're just talking. Normal conversation on YouTube. Yep. Don't ever record yourself playing Slenderman.
Slenderman?
Yeah.
Have you ever seen PewDiePie play it?
Yeah.
It's hilarious. How to
1 minute and 30 seconds. Cutting down the wire. Start shoving it in.
I think we should
Wait, 30 seconds?
No, 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Oh!
I think we should like still do 15 because it's only 5 minutes and
Well, you're minusing 20 chicken nuggets. So I think you should go to 12.
No, to 12.
Yeah, 12 minutes.
alright, I just burped on camera.
Don't worry.
Feel good about it?
Like in the morning. Your mom walks in on you. Honey, what's wrong? Was it the chicken nuggets? Yeah. We're like, hell yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just make sure your mom never sees this.
My mom will when she'll laugh.
Why are we watching a soap opera?
That's my show. I'm just kidding.
Sorry, people of YouTube.
Don't hate, celebrate. What are you doing?
Trying to hack the soap opera.
Well, maybe people like soap operas. Maybe we're just threatening people that don't.
What the heck? You have... Okay.
I am the one on eating these with you. I'm stacking up.
2 minutes.
Oh, I stacked up my nail. Oh my god, I'm running out of ranch. Yeah, pretty good. A little uneasy.
Still on that one. And you got more over there.
Look at it.
And let me guess, you got sweet and sour.
Have you ever did the dip challenge?
No. Why are there so many chickens? Look at the Tana Wagner.
You guys should try it next with us.
As soon as I digest all these nuggets.
Well, you only take a fry or a chicken nugget and you dip it in all the sauces and eat it.
Remember when we did the hot mustard, the buffalo, and the ranch, and the
Yeah.
sweet and sour?
We kind of did it before.
It was like
We just gotta give it a name now.
Well, when you go home,
the sauce challenge.
when you go home, or if you're watching this, look up Tyler Oakley's Chicken Nugget Challenge. It's so funny. He has all the sauces.
Do not
30
try,
seconds.
Do not try this at home.
Don't watch Tyler Oakley's video if you're hungry. Don't even watch this if you're hungry.
I will put caution. Do not watch this while you are hungry.
And then you want to come to McDonald's and eat all.
20 seconds.
I'm doing it 15 minutes. I won't even finish. I'm just doing it for the long.
You have more chicken nuggets than her.
I know. 'Cause I'm full.
10 seconds. 2, 3,
We're gonna live.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 12 minutes. How many did you have left?
11.
13.
She is the chicken nugget challenge winner of this episode.
Okay. Yeah, beat her.